Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps necessary to replace a cable in your device. First, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean workspace. Begin by turning off the device and unplugging it from any power source. Safety is paramount. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or components inside. After removing the back panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal areas to ensure optimal functioning. With a clean workspace, locate the cable that needs replacement. If you're unsure which cable to replace, refer to the device's manual for guidance. Carefully disconnect the old cable by gently pulling it from its connector. If you're having difficulty, use the pliers for a better grip, but be careful not to apply too much force. Now, it's time to install the new cable. Align it with the connector and press gently until it clicks into place. Ensure it's secure, as a loose connection can lead to further issues later on. Before reassembling the device, this is a good moment to check if everything is in order. If you don't have the tools needed for this process or feel uncomfortable performing the replacement, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We can assist you through our convenient pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Once you've confirmed everything is properly connected, place the back panel onto the device. Reinsert the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the screw holes. After securing the back panel, plug the device back in and power it on. Check if it functions correctly. If there are any issues, do not hesitate to reach out for help. As a reminder, we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. In conclusion, replacing a cable can be a straightforward task if you follow these steps carefully. If you encounter any problems or prefer professional assistance, remember, no calls, no travel. Just contact us for a seamless service experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.